And I'm staying on the trail, so I stopped for a minute because of how beautiful it was. It's pretty beautiful up here. But it's a hill you have to climb up to get up to this point. I am on the Seneca Valley Trail. I do not know. Can't believe this is all up here. I'm letting the couple get ahead of me so I won't bother them. But I can't believe. Wow. This is insane. This is a nice cool park. Seems like up ahead here there's two ways to get a trail. Up that way or down. Let's try down because they're going up, so it's easier to go downhill than uphill. This is cool. So it's bound to hit somewhere. I just don't know where. That says Holly Trail. I guess that was on Holly Trail. So I gotta figure out what I'm doing, because I don't know where I'm at. I'm sure it's pretty easy to get lost up here. But I'm sure all the trails kind of lead up into a circular path. And if you stay on the trails, then you're not going to get that lost. think. I'm just surprised. Like, I didn't know this was all back here. It's an interesting park too, because there's houses there, and one of them is connected to the wildlife conserve. I'm staying on the trail, so I don't know exactly where I'm at, but I'm sure it'll be okay. My battery's about to die. Alright guys, so I think right now I'm going to end this here. I'm going to walk around, try to find my path. And then I'll see you guys in the next. We will be back.